Welcome to the session on tips and tricks for working with finance data in Power BI. My name is Rishi Supra. I'm a senior consultant at Altius. We're a data and AI company that's recently been acquired by Avanade, a large Microsoft consultancy. I'm a chartered accountant by background, and I'm also a data platform Microsoft MVP. There's two main communities I run at the moment. One is called Power Platform Finance, so www.powerplatformfinance.com, where we look at how finance data could be used in Power BI and Power Apps and Power Automate, and also those finance processes. So we've done 5 webinars so far, been running them fortnightly since lockdown began, and focused those really on kind of reporting and financial modeling and planning processes within Power BI. So if you're interested in this area, and I'll show some of these in the session today, then go and check out that website at powerplatformfinance.com. The other community site is Learn Data Insights, and this is training for Power BI, Excel and Python, and the Power BI stuff now is focused on DA100, so the new Power BI exam, and helping people prepare for that. So almost everything I'm going to show today is included on a 5-part community blog that I wrote on the Power BI community, and I'll include a link to that here and below, and also at the end of the session. And this goes through, you can download the data and download the solution files, and it goes through how to build out this income statement report step by step. And a lot of those steps I'm going to kind of go through and talk about why they're important today and how to do them. So I'm going to give a high level overview, but anything you want to go back to, have a look on here. I'm going to start with just looking at what that data looks like. So we've got a transaction table and monthly. So if we look at the files, we can see that we've got in this session in here, we've got finance data, and we can see that we've got all of these monthly results files. So these CSV files all along here. For each month, and we've got some reference data tables. So this is what the monthly data looks like. So we've got our keys, so date, month, organization, scenarios. These are all the keys that link into our reference data tables. And then we've got amount in USD. And then we've got our reference data, and these in the different tabs. So each of the account keys that was in the transaction table, what the account is, the account type, header assignment, subheader, dates, departments, headers, organizations, and scenarios, and we'll have a look at these in more detail. And then if we were trying to do this in Excel, one of the things I showed in a video, which I'll link to in here, is how you'd potentially look at trying to build an income statement in Excel using SUMIFS formulas against the table or against all the data, and some really messy formulas, and sometimes you'll quite struggle with, especially with large volumes of data. So we could do much better in Power BI, and that's what we're going to show next.